What if we built a wall made entirely of Vegemite jars, stretching from Perth to Melbourne? Yeah, math meets madness. Let's find out how many jars it would take. Now, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is figure out the distance between Perth and Melbourne. So let's convert 2,700 kilometers into meters. That's 2,700,000 meters. Next, we need to figure out how many jars of Vegemite we need for every meter of the wall. We're going to assume that the wall is 1 meter tall and 1 jar wide. And since a standard Vegemite jar is 7.5 centimeters wide, we'll need 13 jars for every meter of the wall. So the total number of jars needed is 13 times 2,700,000 meters. That equals 35,100,000 jars. So we'll need over 35 million jars of Vegemite to build a wall from Perth to Melbourne. But wait, there's more. Each jar holds 150 grams of Vegemite. So we can calculate the total amount of Vegemite needed by multiplying the number of jars by 150 grams. That equals 5,265,500 grams or 5,265 tons of Vegemite. So not only will we need a lot of jars, but we'll also need a lot of bread to spread that much Vegemite on top. But that's not all. If we wanted to make the wall twice as tall, so 2 jars high and half a meter thick, which means we'd use 2 jars for every meter. And at that point, we might as well just give everyone in Australia their own jar of Vegemite and keep the rest of the jars for spreading. So there you have it. It would take 35.1 million jars of Vegemite to build a wall from Perth to Melbourne. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.